Hello guys, I am Srimati Pushpalata Chaudhary in front of you. So first of all, I want to share, and I would like to thanks to you all that you are giving me a lot of love and a lot of affection. So thank you for these all things. In previous video, I saw you lot of love and I think every sides of love. Okay, so thank you for this. Okay, now I'm going to teach about some prepositions. Okay, so what is a preposition? So whenever you talk about prepositions, oh my god, कितने सारे preposition है, I don't know how to put and how to apply here. So don't worry about it. So I will give some tips so that you can apply very easily and enhance your vocabulary and enhance your framing. So first of all, remove like this such types of ना कि नाइदर वी आर नेटिव स्पीकर, इंग्लिश के नेटिव स्पीकर नहीं है ना, नॉर वी आर इंग्लिश बोलने वाले ना तो हम नेटिव स्पीकर है और ना ही हमारी लैंग्वेज, दिस इज़ नॉट अवर नेटिव लैंग्वेज. सो फॉरगेट दिस ऑल थिंग्स. ओके, और यदि इफ़ यू face this problem ki someone is criticized to you, so don't worry about it, because say this is not our native language, I am beginner, I am learner. So if we commit mistakes, so don't worry about it, you can correct our mistake and you can मूव अहेड, अपने मन से आगे बढ़ सकते हो. ओके, सो नाउ सेकंड थिंग इज कि अभी आपको अप्लाई कैसे करना, तो अपनी एक स्टोरी बनाना. हर चीज़ की एवरीथिंग विल बी फ्रेम लाइक स्टोरी, लाइक इफ़ यू वांट टू present tense, so like this, I am doing so and so, you are doing so and so, he is doing so and so, such types of story. And now perfect tense, so I have done this work, she has done this work, such types of story. Now talk about preposition. So preposition is a very important part of our life. We are using every time, like put it on the table. So that time we have to make a story, and then after we ready for this preposition on how to apply and how to learn. This video will be I think will be helpful for you. Definitely I will I say. So first of all, जैसे कि suppose I am Srimati Pushpalata Chaudhary from Baitul. So from is the preposition. Okay, so I am living एट बैतुल इन एम पी. मैं बैतुल में रहती हूँ और एम पी में रहती हूँ, तो यहाँ पे भी दोनों प्रपोजिशन. ओके, सो नाउ डिपेंड ऑन यू, नाउ इट्स डिपेंड ऑन यू हाउ टू अप्लाई एंड हाउ टू लर्न. तो आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, तो ऑन इज आपके ऊपर. ओके, सपोज यू आर मेकिंग सच ए स्टोरी की some visited in my house, and then after I opened the door and they came across in front of me. Okay, in front of me, and then after I opened the door and she sit there. Okay, so sit there beside. Okay, and then Chanchal is beside of them, Chanchal is sitting beside of them. Okay, make a funny story. Okay, Chanchal is beside of them, so beside is a preposition. Okay, now see Chanchal is sitting between both girl, Chanchal is sitting between both girl, and then now Chanchal is sitting, there is lot of girl, and Chanchal is sitting among the girls, among them girls. Okay, इस प्रकार. And then after suppose under is the okay, the ball is under the chair. Okay, but I am sitting below the chair, I am sitting below the chair. Now see, now my friend came visited in my house, and she kept mobile on the table, she kept mobile on the table. Okay, but her mobile was not there, so I saw there, so I saw her mobile beneath the paper. Beneath is a preposition, beneath the paper. So like this, same meaning are same but different way. Okay, so like this, I am seeing through the window, I am seeing through the window. Okay, and I am taking her mobile. I am taking her mobile off the table. So off is the preposition, off the table. So how we have to apply off? Whenever we talk about, we have to take out, we have to take out another place, so surface to surface. Okay, so that time we can say off. I am taking off the mobile, I am taking off the mobile on of the table, of the table. So like through the window, through is the preposition. Okay, and they knocked and see to ho through the window. She saw through the window. I opened door with happily. I opened the door with happily. बिल्कुल हैप्पी हैप्पी खुला ओके के साथ. ओके सम आई हैव टू मेक ब्रेकफास्ट राइट नाउ. आई हैव टू मेक ब्रेकफास्ट. सो दैट इज वाई आई हैव टू चॉप्ड अनियन एंड chilies. So I am chopping vegetable. I am chopping vegetable like onion, tomato, and some chilies and coriander powder with knife. With is a preposition. With is knife. Whenever we talk about any apparatus, like apparatus which is useful for plugging the hole and cutting the vegetable, and sometimes a physical apparatus like, okay, so that is called with. Okay, I am chopping vegetable with the knife. Okay, with the knife, and I am taking hole, I am doing hole with the plier and with the screwdriver. Okay, so that is why. Okay, so I sat below the chair. I sat below the chair, but I saw, when I saw the list, so that time Chanchal name is above the list. Chanchal name is above the list. Above is a preposition. So whenever we talk about listing, so that time we can say above the table, above the list and below the list. Okay. So like this. It's such types of oh, I worked within a month. I have done my work within a week. Within is a preposition. Okay, so within a week. I worked within a month. I have done my work within an hour. Within an hour. Okay, like this. And she goes outside of the house. She goes outside of the house. She came inside the room. She came inside the room. Okay, inside. Okay, so now into. Now I am coming in the room. I am coming into the room. I am coming into the room. Right now I am in the room. Right now I am in the room. Okay, so like this. In spite of, okay, between, among. Okay, I am going among the road. I am going among the road. Along the road. Sorry. Along the road. I am going along the road. Okay, alongside the road. So like this. If you want to tell about, like, suppose beside and besides. Beside and beside. I am sitting beside of Ria. I am sitting beside of Ria. Chanchal is sitting next to me. Same, next to me and beside of two. Okay, and then topic of besides. Okay, besides Chanchal, you can come. बिसाइड चंचल, ये तो है ही, यू कैन कम, तुम भी आ सकती हो, इसको छोड़ के तुम भी आ सकती हो. ओके, ये सो सच टाइप्स ऑफ मेक डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ स्टोरी एंड यूज for daily routine. Okay, how to use daily routine, so don't worry about it, start from there, wherever you are, so start. So and then conjunction, and then make a story with conjunction, make a story with perfect tense, make a story with prepositions, make a story with present tense and present perfect tense, and use it every day. So don't worry about ki you don't have any person. You are the one who change and who transform your life. Okay, so I think, guys, you are understanding whatever I am saying. So that's if you like this video, so please say in comment box if you want another video like this, so I will give some tips and I will give some vocabulary and so as well as some sentences as well. Okay, so thank you for watching me.